Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about why integrating learning approach should be an integral part of teaching learning process. The objective of this module is, after the completion of this unit, learners will be able to explain the need for adopting integrated learning approach in teaching learning process. In the last video, we discussed about the present classroom situation and then we discussed about what the classroom should be. Now let us discuss few points on the need of integrating learning approach, why we should adopt integrating learning approach in our classrooms. Integrated learning is a way that challenges the traditional methods of learning by bringing multiple concepts to learning together. The problems of real life demand knowledge from different disciplines and skills from different domains to be solved. To solve a particular real life problem, knowledge of one discipline is not sufficient to solve the problem. The child should know the application of different disciplines and skills. Take the example of a social problem like waste management. It needs knowledge of different disciplines like chemistry, environmental science, mathematics, law, etc. for its solution. Take another example of a social problem like climate change. It needs knowledge of different disciplines like economics, science, language, mathematics, geography, political science, etc. for its solution. Nowadays, students are not able to transfer their knowledge and skills from one discipline to other. Students learn best when encountering ideas that are connected to one another. So, integrating learning approach should be adopted in our classrooms. Similarly, integrating the curriculum improves learning experiences. Sometimes one particular concept is repeated in more than one subject. Integrated approach prevents repetition and hence saves time. Our brains do not separate facts into separate disciplines. Instead, it constantly makes connections between knowledge and uses pattern recognition to recall that knowledge. By connecting new knowledge to an existing fact or experience, we remember more effectively. Because of teacher-centric approaches, communication between student-student, teacher-teacher, student-teacher is missed. If we'll use integrating learning approach in our classrooms, communication between different stakeholders will be more. Because of more emphasis on knowledge domain, inclusion of real life situations inside the classroom is not taken care of. Interconnectedness and interrelationships between the different parts of the curriculum is not taken care of during the teaching learning process, what we are following presently. Because of the considerable amount of educational restructuring, numerous innovations have surfaced. As professionals in the educational field, we recognize that teaching has become increasingly more complex. So if we adopt integrating learning approach, it fosters professional growth by encouraging teachers to go beyond the boundaries of their academic and technical fields. NEP 2020 in Article 4.4 is talking about holistic development of learners. In the Article 4.23 to 4.29, it talks about the curricular integration of essential subjects and skills. It strongly recommends that teaching learning to move away from rote learning to conceptual understanding, from teacher-centric to student-centric, from examination-oriented to learning-oriented, and from monodisciplinary mode to multidisciplinary mode. It also recommends no hard separation between arts and science, between curricular and extracurricular activities in order to eliminate the silos between different areas of learning. Specific sets of skills and values across domains will be identified for integration and incorporation at each stage of learning from preschool to higher education. It also recommends in all stages experiential learning should be adopted, including hands-on practices, arts integrated, sports integrated education, and we should start this pedagogy and we should relate one subject with other and in real lives also. So friends, in this video we discussed about why integrating learning approach should be adopted in our classroom. Thank you friends for watching this video. In the next video we'll discuss about what is integrated learning and also we'll discuss about its characteristic. Thank you.